Is your degree really preparing you for a job or just for another exam? Are you still learning the old way? My name is Nitish and I graduated in 2011 from a private engineering college in India. And today I work at a leading AI-based product company in Amsterdam, where I firsthand see how AI is transforming how we learn and how we work. And every day I see what gets actually a candidate hired. And trust me, it's really the one who just memorized the text. In this video, I'll show you how I would use AI tools if I were in college in 2025. So watch it till the end to get the practical techniques that is going to fill the gap and make you industry ready. In my 5th semester, I struggled with computer architecture subject. Especially the topics like pipelining and caching were hard to visualize. But in 2025, I would use prompt like this. And you notice how specific I am in the prompt to ask for exactly what I need. Now within few seconds, I got this response. So more specific you are with the prompt, the better output you get from ChatGPT. Now let's take another subject that gave most of us nightmare, operating systems. Back in college, understanding scheduling algorithms like a round robin and priority used to be confusing, especially when it came to Gantt chart and turnaround time numericals. But in 2025, I would use this prompt. And you can notice how specific I have asked for it. Like I'm asking for an example of Dr. Clinic or fast food queue. Now you can clearly notice that it gave me the same metaphor that I asked for and also the numericals. In college, we were asked to implement Dijkstra algorithm, but most of us barely understood it. Quick fun fact, Dijkstra was a Dutch computer scientist and it's pronounced Dijkstra, not Dijkstra that we used to pronounce in college. I found out only after moving to Netherlands because IJ together is pronounced A in Dutch. Now I would use Github Copilot and Visual Studio Code if I am stuck in any issue like with this program, or if I have to understand any program. Both way it's very useful. And the good thing is, it's also free. Now you notice here, it pointed out the mistake that I had in the program. Not only that, it provided the correct version, but at the same time, it also provided me the explanation of the fix. In TOC class, I often relied on the notes from the toppers to just mug it up, often struggling to understand the complex automata and regular expressions. Now in 2025, I would even convert my own messy notes to something more organized with the help of ChatGPT. I would just attach it to the ChatGPT and frame my prompt like something like this, where I'm asking for examples and also some potential questions that could come out of this. Now you can clearly see how it converted it to a proper study guide way and also provided me some of the questions. For GATE preparation, I couldn't afford the coaching and studying by myself was a bit too hard for me. I spent thousands on test series and that did not even fix my weak subjects. Now if I were preparing for GATE in 2025, I would use this prompt to assign the role to ChatGPT and then provide the situation that I am in currently and then also what I want from this and then give it the time frame that I need and also the guidance that I am seeking for. And you can see it gave me the self-study plan and the resources that I was looking for. Now this may vary person to person, so please be specific in your prompt to get the output that you're looking for. And if you need any help with the prompt, just write that in the comment and I'll help you out. Not sure about you, but Viva was a scary thing for me. We were very scared of those external professors because we didn't know what they might ask. But in 2025, I have ChatGPT to mimic that tough professor for me. Now you notice how I assigned this role to ChatGPT. You can use this in any scenario you like. Now you notice how it provides you the feedback and only move to the next question when you're done with the question. Our 8085 microprocessor lab was limited to assembly programs on the old kits, while industry had already moved to advanced microcontrollers and embedded systems. But in 2025, I would ask AI to find me those modern alternatives that would help me bridge this gap. And now you can see clearly that it gave me the information around the options that I have that are way more advanced than the basic toolkit that we have. I entered campus placement with a generic resume highlighting basic Java projects and zero real interview preparation, competing against my 300 college mates for the same IT companies. Now in 2025, I would just attach my resume and then ask for the feedback and maybe ask for a sample generation from it. Now you can clearly see that it gave me the feedback, and of course my resume is from 2011, so there is a lot that has changed, so you would have to update your knowledge, but it can clearly give you the indication of where you're lacking, and if you want help in a specific section, it can give you that too. I got my first job through campus placement, and the first project where I worked was .NET based, and we were never taught .NET in the college, so I had to start all from scratch. And if I were targeting top tier company like Microsoft, Amazon in 2025, I would just reach out to ChatGPT for guidance. Now you can see it clearly gave me the plan, and not focusing just on the technical part, but also the behavioral part and the resources that are available for me to practice, a daily routine tip, some time management tips as well. Now, all these prompts that you have seen so far in this video are available in the description section of this video. And if you're looking for any specific prompt, just write that in the comment. And just so you know, this is not some futuristic idea. In the Netherlands where I work, even the school-going students are using the tools like ChatGPT or Copilot to not only help with their learning or to write better, but also enhance their critical thinking. If you are a graduate student in India and not doing this yet, you're already behind. If you want a custom demo for your specific engineering branch or for your specialization, do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Jiyo Smart, JiyoAI.